And on behalf of Kenyan government, I now invite Chief Justice Honorable Madam Koome. Karibu sana.
Continue to pray that God Himself will fill the gap that has been